Saudi Arabia removes Jammu and Kashmir from Indian map, and the Saudi Arabia has developed quite well. As we know that the Saudi Arabia's and the India's relationship is from a long time and it has improved continuously. But on the other side, where the relation was present between the Pakistan and the Saudi Arabia, it is deteriorating continuously from long time. Good morning guys, I'm Sweta and today I'm present at the Radiscom Spoken English Center taught by Mr. Vikram sir, and today I'm just going to tell about what's a matter present about the new note and the banknote and also about a new map. So guys, here the one information is coming that the Saudi Arabia has issued a one map which is against the Jammu and Kashmir. In fact, they are just showing that the Jammu and Kashmir as a separate territory where the map of India is present. In fact, as we are knowing that the Jammu and Kashmir as an integral part of the India, even the Jammu and Kashmir has not shown by the Saudi Arabia. In fact, here the also one thing is present about the Saudi Arabia removes the Pakistan, Jammu and Kashmir and Gilgit-Baltistan from the Pakistan map, and it has, we can just say that the Saudi Arabia want to show us, yeah, of course, the Jammu and Kashmir as a separate territory. Here the one current information come that the part of the India has also not shown in the new map. And I'm just now going to tell about the new features of the banknote. Here the many kinds of the banknotes present like 1, 5, 20, 10, 50, 100, 200 and 50, 500 riyals. So guys, the one most important thing is that the G20 Saudi summit conducted per year, but the current year means 2020 summit, it has to conduct it in Riyadh, which is the capital of Saudi Arabia. In fact, as we are knowing that the Saudi Arabia conducted there where the session 21 to 22 November 2020 summit present. In fact, because of the Saudi Arabia have a presidency, and that's why the Saudi Arabia issued a new banknote of the 20 riyals in 2020. And as we can know that the words are new features of the banknote present. Of course guys, here the new features of the banknote present about the King Salman and the G20 Saudi summit logo on the one side and the other side with the world map highlighting G20 countries at the darker shade on the other side. But the Pak activist Ahmad Ayab Mirza has held it and as a huge to Pakistan and tweeted the Saudi Arabia removes the Jammu and Kashmir and Gilgit-Baltistan from the Pakistan map, but when the New Delhi checked in the map, then it was found that there is a distortion present. In fact, the India's checked that and even they are just taking the serious action on that with the Saudi Arabia's embassy in New Delhi. In fact, now just telling about the India's and Saudi Arabia's tie-up. Now the India's and the Saudi Arabia's tie-up has continuously, exponentially in its current situation. In fact, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid official Riyadh in 2020. In fact, about the more things, one most thing is important about the Strategic Partnership Council Agreement on 2020 and identifying the India is one of the kingdom. Strategic Partnership Council Agreement was vision in 2030. But here the one question rising that will India participate in G20 or not? And the India's is the member of the G20, not Pakistan. While the India will take place in the G20 session 21 to 22 October 2020 in Riyadh. And the one more thing is that the Saudi Arabia will have to make changes in Jammu and Kashmir, otherwise it would be untenable for India to participate.